This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cake boxes, specifically these great Cater Tech cake and lunch boxes with windows. They come in black, white with gray, and newsprint for some fantastic color options. And they're a really generous size. They're 9 inches square by 3.5 inches tall, making them great for small cupcakes, pastries, or other items from bakery, but also making them a fantastic size for packing up a lunch. You can put in burritos, wraps, sandwiches, along with side dishes or a small drink or something else of that nature, and even your flatware. They're easy to fold up, and they come flat, which is a fantastic space-saving option if you're running a busy establishment. And they're easy enough to fold up really quickly when you've got some orders that need to go out the door. They feature a pop-up handle, which is great for not only your guests, but also for your employees. It makes them really easy to hand off. And there's a clear window on top. So if you're packing up some grab-and-go items, it makes it easy for customers to see what's inside and can really help with sales. They also feature a lovely label on the side of each, so you can scribble down what's inside and the date it was made. It makes it easy too if you've got some orders that need to go out, so you can keep track of things like how many chicken salad sandwiches and how many vegetarian lunches you've made. So they're a heavyweight paper that can really hold up to heavy items, and they've got a grease-resistant lining that can stand up to messy foods. So if something's got sauce or dressing or something else on it, you should be good to go without getting soaked through. And they're just a fantastic option for caterers that are looking to do things like corporate lunches, for cafes and restaurants that are looking for boxes for to-go orders and items, and even for bakeries.